Hello friends, my name is Karan Thakur and this is our last video of chemical equations and reactions. In this video, we will see my 5 main topics, that are oxidation, reduction, redox, corrosion, rancidity. That's it. In this we will see only 5 remaining topics of this lesson, and this is the last video of chemical equations and reactions. So first we will see about oxidation. What is meant by oxidation? The simple meaning of oxidation, which can be defined as adding of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, means in a reaction oxygen is either the oxygen should add or the hydrogen should remove. In this condition, this reaction is known as oxidation reaction. First we will see 2 examples of this reaction. That is, first, when we react copper oxide with oxygen, it forms, when we react copper with copper oxide, it forms copper oxide. Here what is happening? The oxygen is adding, and as we know that when oxygen is adding, that is known as oxidation reaction. Then in this second example, here we taken HCl and we added sodium. When we add sodium to HCl, we all know that sodium is more reactive than hydrogen, so it forms NaCl plus H2O gas. The gas will evolve and NaCl will form. So it is also a salt making formula, but it is too much costly because here HCl is more costly than salt, so there is no any advantage of making the salt from HCl. And then we will see that reduction reaction. What is meant by reduction reaction? The simple definition of reduction reaction is adding of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. The reaction in which either the hydrogen should add or oxygen should remove. In this situation, this reaction is known as reduction reaction. This reaction is known as reduction reaction. The example of this reaction is copper oxide is react with hydrogen gas to form copper प्लस H2O. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है ना यार, ये देखिए, ये जो कॉपर ऑक्साइड है, कॉपर ऑक्साइड जब हम हाइड्रोजन के साथ ऐड कर रहे हैं तो वाटर फॉर्म, एक कॉपर का मॉलिक्यूल और वाटर फॉर्म हो रहा है. और इस रिएक्शन की एक स्पेशलिटी, वो स्पेशलिटी क्या है कि ये जो रिएक्शन है ना, ये हमारे मेटल्स को प्यूरिफाई, जनरली व्हेन मेटल इज टेकन आउट फ्रॉम द अर्थ क्रस्ट, it is either in the form, first it is in the form of sulfate, then they react with then they heat it and it become copper oxide, then they react with hydrogen gas and it form copper plus water. So here we are getting a single metal, so it is also known as purification reaction. And again then we will see that redox. What is meant by redox? This name redox is showing 2 reactions, first reduction and the second is oxidation. So the simple definition of this reaction is oxidation and reduction. Both the reactions are occurring simultaneously, means both the reaction are taking place in a single reaction, that is known as redox reaction. So the example of this redox reaction is copper oxide react with hydrogen gas to form copper plus water. So here this symbol represent heat. This triangular symbol which is present in this reaction, that represent heat in the chemistry, this represent heat. So here first what is happening, hydrogen is getting oxidized and it is forming water, and here the copper oxide is reduced and it forming only copper. So this is known as redox reaction. Then we will see corrosion. The corrosion, what is meant by corrosion? Corrosion means it is simply known as oxidation of metal. Any metal, it should be copper, iron. Oxidation also happens with gold and silver, but the gold and silver is very less reactive as compared to iron and copper. So this is the reason that when iron is oxidized, it get corroded. When the iron is corroded, it form a thin layer. When see, this is the iron rod and this is the gold rod. If we pour some water, it is getting oxidized, and some this, like, it is more reactive than gold now. So some like this small particles will remove out by oxidization. It form a small likewise particle and it will remove out, and due to this iron will, ये जो आयरन है ना वो खराब हो जाता है. और here in what is in gold is very less reactive. After very means at it is very less reactive now. It is not get corroded like iron. Here what iron is decomposing. The simple way is that iron जो है ना डिकम्पोज हो रहा है, मतलब पूरा खराब हो जा रहा है. और ये जो करोशन है, इस करोशन की वजह से और एक है ना हमारी इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ पर भी बहुत सारा असर पड़ता है. कैसे कि लॉट्स ऑफ मनी इज स्पेंड टू रिप्लेस द आयरन विच इज करोडेड. मतलब एक बार जो आयरन करोडेड हो जाता है उसके अंदर उतनी पावर नहीं रहती है और ना ही उतनी शाइन रहती है. सो इस वजह से उसे रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है, और रिप्लेस करते हैं लॉट्स ऑफ मनी स्पेंड ऑन दिस करोशन. देन ड्यू टू द ऑक्सीडाइजेशन iron get a reddish coat on it. This process is commonly known as rusting. इस प्रोसेस को रस्टिंग बोलते हैं. और फिर हम देखेंगे रैंसिडिटी. व्हाट इज मीन बाय रैंसिडिटी? सिंपली रैंसिडिटी हमारे घर पे भी बहुत बार होता है. देखिए ऑक्सीडाइजेशन ऑफ ऑयली सब्सटेंसेज, जो मम्मी हमारे फूड बनाते हैं ना, जब वो टोटली ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है उसमें से एक बैड स्मेल आना शुरू हो जाती है, तब वो फूड रैंसिड हो जाता है, बैड स्मेल आना शुरू हो जाती है, उसका टेस्ट चेंज हो जाता है. और बहुत बार माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, जो ये फूड ऐसा फूड होता है इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आते हैं और ये पूरा फूड खराब हो जाता है. सो this is called as rancidity. And then many chips, we eat chips na in kuda, that chip production company use nitrogen. Mainly they use nitrogen gas. Why they use the nitrogen gas? See here is two packets in which first in these are chips, and here is oxygen and here is nitrogen. What we will see here, what will happen, see one thing, nitrogen is less reactive than oxygen and oxygen is very high reactive as compared to any gases. So it will react with this is a oily substance now. The chips is a oily substance, so it will react with this and this food will get decomposed earlier. But in this nitrogen N2 packet, here it is filled with nitrogen gas. In this N2 packet what will happen, this chips will somewhat remain for some minimally 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months these are safe in this packet, but in 3 to 4 days only this will decompose and it will get corroded. So many chips production companies use nitrogen. So this is the new reason. और ये बहुत frequently question है हमारे बोर्ड में ask किया हुआ. So note it. And friends, this is my last video on the chemical equation and reaction. I already made 2 parts and this is my last part. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.